Now, welcome to the channel. Maybe you're looking up on YouTube how to fix a tire that has a nail in it and you found this channel, or you're a loyal subscriber. Well, either way, we're going to show you today how to fix a tire that has a nail in it so you ain't got to wait in that line for 3 to 4 hours at the tire shop, and it should only take you around 5 minutes and cost you around $5. But the first thing you'll need is a Holland and Ballin' cup full of that caffeine crack. Ain't that right, JoJo?
Well, I don't know about the crack, but you could go grab yourself a Holland and Ballin' mug.
Now, the very first thing you're gonna need is a nail and a hammer. Let's do this. Now you're probably looking at me like, this guy's crazy as hell. Why is he gonna put a nail in his tire? Because I wanna teach you guys how to patch a tire. Plus, there's already a nail in this tire and I can't patch that one. It's right here on the sidewall, if you guys can see, so yeah. Now, some of the tools you need is the patch kit, and here it is right here. You get some of these strips that will plug the tire. You got this part right here, which you'll put that little strip in between there, which I'll show you in a little bit. And then you got this sucker right here, which will clean the tire up after you pull the nail out. So let's get to it. And you can actually buy these at Walmart. They go for like $5 to $7. You can order it online, or you can go to your local auto parts store and pick one up. Now, the first thing I like to do before I pull the nail out is pull one of these bad boys out. And this is how you do it. You want to put it in between this bad boy right here. Right in between there. And you want to pull it right in the middle. Show you guys. You want it right in the middle, so that's how you do it. You want it about 50-50. Right like that. Now what we do is I'm gonna pull the nail out. Here's the nail. I'm gonna yank this bad boy out real quick. You guys hear it? Then you grab this bad boy right here. And you want to clear it out, clean it all up. So after it's all cleaned out, what you want to do is throw that plug in there. You want to shove it in there good, about halfway in there. And once you got it halfway in there, you're good to go, just like that. Now, what you want to do once it's in there is you got to yank it out super fast, like bam. And then you can come back with either, say, a knife, pocket knife, a box cutter, or we got some scissors, so I'm just gonna cut it like that. And then the rest of it will just get worn out from driving around. And that's how you patch it. Now, just like that, 5 minutes later, the tire's patched and fixed, and we're ready to roll to get some more cash.
And I wanted to give a shout out to McKinley Kaufman from McKinley Cleaning and Hauling Services, because he got himself a shirt and he's hauling and balling.
He's hauling and balling. And if you guys want to learn more stuff, how to knock down sheds, how to cut up hot tubs, and make cash picking up trash, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. And you over there, make sure your wifey's not the one patching that tire. We love all you guys.